Hi, friends! Welcome to Kitty XYZ. Tap subscribe and let us learn and play.
Today we're learning school items. Let's go! This is my school backpack. It carries all my important things. This is a pencil. I use it to write and draw. This is an eraser. It helps us fix little mistakes. This is my notebook. I write my schoolwork. These are crayons. They make my pictures colorful. This is a ruler. It helps make straight lines. Ha! This is my glue stick. It helps paper stick safely. These are safety scissors. We cut paper slowly and carefully. This is my lunchbox. I keep my yummy food safe. This is my water bottle. It keeps me happy and strong. This is a school bus. It takes us safely to school. This is my desk. I sit here to learn and do my work. This is my chair. It helps me sit safely to learn. This is a book. It fills my mind with fun stories. This is our whiteboard and marker. We learn new things together. These are paints and a brush. We make big, colorful art. This is a globe. It shows our big, beautiful world. This is a sharpener. It keeps my pencil ready to write. Thanks for learning school items with me. Let's learn more next time.
Thanks, friends! Like, share, and subscribe.